What if one country woke up one day and suddenly became two completely different worlds? After World War II ended in 1945, Germany was defeated, destroyed, and occupied by the winning powers. Instead of rebuilding it as one nation, the Allies split Germany into four zones, controlled by the United States, Britain, France, and the Soviet Union. But soon, tensions grew. The Western zones believed in democracy and capitalism. The Soviet zone believed in communism and strict government control. In 1949, the split became permanent. Western zones joined together to form West Germany, supported by the US and its allies. The Soviet zone became East Germany, controlled by a communist government. The difference was dramatic. West Germany rebuilt fast, with freedom, jobs, and economic growth. East Germany became heavily controlled, with limited travel and constant surveillance. Millions tried to escape East Germany, until a wall went up in 1961. The Berlin Wall became the most powerful symbol of a divided world. For 28 years, one nation lived two completely different realities, until the wall finally fell in 1989, and Germany became one again. History didn't just change borders, it changed lives.